Limiting reagent. What is the limiting reagent? The reactant which is completely consumed first. That is called limiting reagent. Otherwise, another one definition is the reactant which is or which gives smaller amount of product. Smaller amount of product. So this is the definition for limiting reagent. Now I am taking one example. A plus B gives rise products. One is 5 mole, another is 2 mole, both having the same stoichiometric coefficient. Now product is not formed initial t equal to 0 time. Then which is the smaller amount? Generally B is given here. Therefore this is called limiting reagent, LR, limiting reagent, and this is called excess reagent. So based on limiting reagent, so keep in mind here one thing: formation of products. Formation of product and left amount of excess reagent depends on limiting reagent. So this is a very important point. You have to remember the product form based on which one? Limiting reagent. Because we know that limiting reagent definition, the reactant which gives a smaller amount of product. So that only decide the how much product will form. So calculation of limiting reagent is a very important. So how to calculate this limiting reagent? Now I will give the rules. The first rule, these are called rank shortcuts. So step by step process. The first one is write a balanced chemical equation. What is required? Balanced equation required. Second one, given in the question, whatever the given, write under the reactant or product. So represent or write the quantities given in question. Third one, that quantities may be mass, may be entities, or may be volume. Then they convert into which one? A mole. So that is called mole. Anything they given, so you convert into which one? Mole. That is very important. And fourth one point is find the limiting reagent. Find the limiting reagent. This is very important. Next one, fifth, use the molar ratio. This is applicable for every problem. Therefore, important things these are, keep in mind. Then by using molar ratio, find unknown quantity. Then sixth one, from this molar ratio, by using the molar ratio, we will find out moles only in this one. So keep in mind what we will find out here, unknown quantity, that is mole only. So from this mole, we can convert again back to required mass mean mass convert, otherwise entities mean entities convert, and next volume mean volume convert. So this is a way of calculation for any problem. So already previously I discussed the some same set of rule, so it is applicable here also. Now I am taking one example. In this example, I am writing first one step is a balanced equation according to the given in the question. For example, I am taking the 50 kg. This is a question from textbook NCERT. So this is 1.5 solved question. Then nitrogen plus 3 moles of hydrogen, it gives a 2 moles of NH3. This is step 1. Second step, what they given in the question. Given in the question is 50 kg of nitrogen, 10 kg of hydrogen. Then they are asking what is the mass of product formed, that is ammonia. Then we know that 50 50 only, 1 kg mean 10 power 3 gram, 10 10 only, and 1 kg mean 10 power 3 gram. Then this mass still we don't know in the form of question mark. So this is second one. Third step, what is that? This is mass given, therefore mass we are writing. And now I am writing which one? A mole. So third one step is a mole. Mole, how to calculate? We have the different formula. One is mass by molar mass. Second one is number of entities by Avogadro number. Third one is given volume by 22.4 liter. According to our requirement, we can utilize. So now here mass given, therefore mass by molar mass, then 50 into 10 power 3 gram divided by its molar mass 28 gram per mole. Then here 10 into 10 power 3 gram divided by, this is 2 gram per mole. So this gram cancel, mole inverse going to mole. So here we don't know the its mole, then we will find out. After this one, fourth step, find the limiting reagent we have to find out. Then how to find out this limiting reagent? For this one, rank shortcut is there. What is the rank shortcut to find out? Given moles by stoichiometric coefficient, if it is less, that is called limiting reagent, which gives a lesser amount, that is called limiting reagent. So that I am finding now. Then this is called 50 into 10 power 3 divided by 28, mole inverse convert into now moles from this, divided with stoichiometric coefficient, that is 1. Then here this is 10 into 10 power 3 divided by 2 and convert into mole inverse convert into mole. Its stoichiometric coefficient is 3. Then this value gives that is 1.66. This will gives 1.78. So smaller amount, which one? This is, therefore this is called limiting reagent. This is called, anyway 10 power 3 is there, I forgot here, 1 minute. Here into 10 power 3, and this excess reagent, here also 10 power 3 is there. So this is limiting reagent. So we found that limiting reagent, which one? That is called hydrogen. Then fifth one step. What is the fifth one now? Use the molar ratio. What is the molar ratio formula? Molar ratio formula is anyone moles by stoichiometric coefficient is equal to moles by stoichiometric coefficient. Now I want hydrogen and ammonia, because limiting reagent only decide the how much product form and how much amount of excess reagent left. So with respect to that, moles we know that 10 into 10 power 3 divided by 2. This is a moles because this is a mole we have here, and this is called mole. Divided by its stoichiometric coefficient we know it as 3 is equal to ammonia moles we don't know, therefore ammonia divided by stoichiometric coefficient what is that 2. Then we will calculate by using this one. Now that is N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to 2NH3. So according to this, we have 10 into 10 power 3 mole by 2 into its stoichiometric coefficient 3, and this number of moles of ammonia that equal to 3 by what is there here 2 is the stoichiometric coefficient. Now this 2 cancel, therefore NNH3 is equal to what is that 10 into 10 power 3 mole divided by 3. Then we got the answer is with respect to mole, that is called 3.33 into 10 power 3 mole. But answer we want in the mass. Therefore, mass is equal to mole into molar mass. So we got the mole is 3.33 into 10 power 3 mole into molar mass of ammonia is 17 gram per mole. This mole cancel, then this will give 17 into 3.33. This may gives answer is 56.6 into 10 power 3. What is that unit? Gram. So this can be written as 56.6 into 10 power 3 gram is called kg. This is the answer in mass. This is the answer in moles. So we can say this is moles of ammonia in moles. This is a mass of ammonia in kg. This is the way of calculation. The left amount of excess reagent also we can calculate. That is, we know that moles of nitrogen is 50 into 10 power 3 by its molar mass 28 is the moles by its stoichiometric coefficient 1 is hydrogen moles are 10 into 10 power 3 divided by its molar mass 2 and its stoichiometric coefficient is 3. So after dividing that, previously already I did, this is 1.78 into 10 power 3 in the form of mole, and this is 1.66 into 10 power 3 in mole. So which is smaller, that we have to subtract. Then 1.78 into 10 power 3 mole minus 1.66 into 10 power 3 mole, then it is limiting it dash completely consumed. So after that, now I am subtracting 1.78 minus 1.66. This value is 1.78 minus 1.66. This value is 0.12 into 10 power 3 mole. This is a left amount. Number of moles of nitrogen left. Now we can convert into mass. So mass is equal to, what is the formula? N into molar mass. This is a mass. So we got moles is 0.12 into 10 power 3 mole into molar mass of our nitrogen is 28 gram per mole. Then this mole cancel. Then 0.12 into 28. This will gives 3.36 gram. So now according to law of mass action, then whatever we calculated right or wrong, we can check by using how much in gram, and sorry, here this 10 power 3 is there, therefore we can convert into 3.36, that is kg actually, not gram. It is 10 power 3 gram. 3.36 into 10 power 3 gram convert to 3.36 kgs. So keep in mind, nitrogen plus hydrogen gives rise to NH3. Given in the question is what do you call 50 kg, and here 10 kg. Then this is how much form. Then formula is how much? 50. This is a limiting reagent. Then it is 56.6 kg, and this is normally we calculated 3 point. Now this is 3.36 kg. So these two values should be equal to this two value required. So these two value is 60 kg. Then this is also 59.99. Then it is round of 60 kg. So whatever we calculated answer is correct is there. So this can also calculated. Now keep in mind how to calculate very simplest manner also according to any board level. Now I am taking this same equation, N2 plus 3H2 gives rise to NH3. Given in the equation is this 28 gram, 3 into 2, this is 6 gram, and this is 2 into 1 ammonia 17 gram, this is 34 grams. This is from equation. This is from given in the question. Given in question is how much? 50 kg means 50 into 10 power 3 grams, and this is 10 into 10 power 3 gram. So already we know this is a limiting reagent, so dash. So how much product form we have to find out. Now limiting reagent only decide the product, therefore we have to do cross multiply. These are cross multiply. Then how much product form? Then 34 into 10 into 10 power 3 grams divided by 6. So this is converted into what is called 56.6 into 10 power 3 grams, then 56.6 kgs. This is a simple 2 or 3 line answer, but whatever the previous I calculated, that is applicable for every type of question. You can use that concept. It is easy to calculate. I hope you understood how to identify limiting reagent and how to identify the what asking in the question and how much they left excess reagent also we can find out. This is a simplest trick. It is applicable for board level, competitive exam level, NEET, IITG, every level. It is easiest to calculate. By practice you can remove the number of steps, and in 1 or 2 steps you can calculate. But for practice purpose, what is required first? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6. But generally you can do directly by molar ratio step. You can directly answer, but it takes some time. First, what is required? Practice required. Then all the steps you can eliminate, and directly you can use the molar ratio step and you can calculate the answer.